Guys. Alright guys, here we go. Watch list for Monday. It's a little lengthy, but I'm going to try to be quick anyway. ENOC gapped up on Friday and ended up closing at its lows. Big volume though for this stock. A lot of times sellers get a hold of these on an intraday basis and the next day we get a bounce. So that one definitely goes on the chart for a potential long. ARAY, just getting decimated here. Back down near, it's got nice support in the 660, 650 area, right around here. So if we get a sell-off early, I might look for an intraday reversal for a bounce play in ARAY. GNRC, let me remind you real quick, I'm a day trader, so I look at charts every night for the next day, looking to find intraday trades based on the daily chart, right? And then I'll be back out before the close. So I'm just a day trader, never hold anything overnight, all right? GNRC, nice support around 39, here and here and here. And it's down that big 2 days in a row. If we flush early and get around 39, I'll be looking for an intraday reversal for a long. EJ, still flagging, so I like it over Friday's high, which would be 684. That might get you through Thursday's high, which would be 692, and then that might break this flag and maybe test this recent high over 7 and maybe break out. So you kind of have stacked catalyst there on EJ. ADRO. The biotechs continue to bounce on Monday. This is a newer issue, but it finally closed above its open. First time in what, two and a half weeks or something crazy like that. So I actually like this long over Friday's high, over 2650. That's ADRO. OCN really kind of broke out of a trend line on nice volume on Friday. I'm looking for just a continuation there. I like it over Friday's high, 1045. Might get that thing going. And if OCN moves, I always like to watch ASPS, which looks good over Friday's house, over 27.45. Those two tend to run together. ASPS, a lot of shorts in it. DGLY, great trade on Friday, goes back on watch for Monday. I like it long, over 15.44, over Friday's high. You might test and maybe break this important 16 level. And you get above 16, this daily chart looks good. I mean, it's found support. You all know the story. I've talked about DGLY for 2 weeks now. Finally got a really nice trade in it on Friday. But for swing traders, I said it looks good with a strong close. If you got Friday's entry in the mid to low 14s, and you know, for a few, I don't have any, but it does look good for a swing if you caught a good entry. Weight Watchers WTW kind of bounced off lows here and is flagging, and with Nutrisystem NTRI breaking out on Friday. To me, that says maybe Weight Watchers follows a little bit. It's beaten up. It's in the same sector, so I like it over over 877 over Friday's high. It might just kind of break out, follow Nutrisystem. HOS, nice big volume pop on Thursday, inside day on Friday. So that gives me a couple catalysts. A break of Friday's high. I'm sorry, break of Friday's high, which might get you through Thursday's high. So the numbers I've written down: 2313. 2346 are both potential catalysts. WB, really nice move here from around 14.5 to almost 18, and then now flagging for a week. So I want to watch that one for a potential long. 1682 area might be enough to get it started, but that's not a great number to go by. I didn't type that right. ICLD, I feel like I'm chasing, but this is a lower float stock. Had a huge move and closed near its highs on Friday. With 15 million shares on a low float stock, you definitely want to keep this on watch for the entire week. So I don't know if I'll catch a trade in it Monday, but I bet you sometime this week having ICLD on a chart will give us a nice trade in the chat room. TROV got a nice intraday pop on Friday on some big price target put out there by somebody, big volume, and it held up okay. So I just want to watch that one for a possible continuation on Monday. All right. I don't know why Internet Explorer stopped working. That's weird. And then a couple honorable mentions. I'm not really going to be trading these, but I saw Yahoo back down here near support. And so that might be worth watching for swing traders, bounce off that 42 area. But I'm not going to be trading that one. And CYBR, also a lower float cybersecurity play. Put in a high here, lower high, and close. So this one might just kind of break this trend line. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday.